Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahesti Nasir from the team Abtal Digital, and I'm going to introduce our project which is a smart light system. The project's aim is to reduce the energy consumed in lighting the streets. So instead of the street lights lighting with the same intensity all the time, it will light with only the intensity needed depending on the surrounding light intensity. Our project will show how the light intensity affects the LED matrix using a light sensor. When the light intensity increases, the number of lighting LEDs will decrease. When the surrounding light reaches the maximum intensity, all the LEDs should be off except one, and when the light intensity decreases, all the LEDs should be on.
Okay, my name is Reem. The components we used were 10 resistors, 8 of which were 1 kilo ohm and 2 of them were 5 kilo ohms. We used jumpers, 1 capacitor, analog to digital converter, and a light sensor, and an LED dot matrix.
Hello everybody, my name is Reem, and today I'm going to show you the connections from the LED matrix to the Altera board, and the connections from the light sensor to the Altera board, and the connections from the ADC 0804 to the Altera also. Okay, let's start off with the LED matrix. As you can see here, this LED matrix has a lot of connections out of it. Some are the cathodes and some are the anodes. The cathodes, they will have to take grounds at certain times, so we'll just place it here and connect it to the Altera board to give it ground or zero when needed. Whereas the anodes, they are present here, and at some positions here, they will be connected, if you can see with me, to a resistor, and then will be connected to the Altera board to give them one also when needed, so that they would light up. And then we have the sensor, the light sensor. It has VCC, which will be connected to a certain position here, the VN plus, as you can see here. I just connected here to the ADC at this certain position. I'm going to show you how the sensor is connected to the ADC. First of all, we have the VCC and the ground. The VCC will be connected to the VCC, which is taken from the Altera board. It's placed here in this whole row, and the ground in the second row will be connected to the second row, which is given from the Altera board. Then there is the analog output signal, which will be connected to pin 6. As you can see here, the VN in the data sheet of the ADC. And we have certain connections connected to the ground. As you can see here, we have the digital ground has to be connected to the ground. It's pin 10, which is connected to the ground, and then we have the analog ground also connected to the ground. It's here pin 8, and we have a small circuit here, which, as you can see, it's right here. It's a 10K resistor. We had two 5Ks, which is connected series, so they'll give 10, and a capacitor of 150 picofarad, which is connected here, and they will be connected to the ground. And also we have the CS here, which is pin 1. It has to also be connected to the ground. And all the other connections has to be connected to the rest will be connected to the Altera board. Like, for example, we have the DB 0 till DB7. We connected all of them to the Altera board to give an output of 8 bits, which we can then control and change to 5 bits or whatever.
Hi, my name is Khaled, and now we will see how it works.
First of all, we will begin with one LED dot because of light, and since when the light decreases, the number of LED matrix increases because of light, as you see. And when the light turns off, the number of the full LED matrix will LED.
ماشي. ماشي، أغير الشيء إلت. النور كده. اقفل النور. تمام. بتاع الفلاش كده تمام. يلا. بس.
Hello, it's Rawan, and I'm here to summarize up our project. We made a light sensing system which detects the light intensity in the surrounding, and accordingly it will let the number of LEDs we have in our matrix. So when it's a daylight or when it's full intensity in the surrounding, it's the minimum number of LEDs will lighten up, which is 1. And as the light intensity in the surrounding decreases, the LED will increase, the number of LEDs lit. And it ended up when it's really dark, full matrix will lighten up. That's it, and I hope you enjoyed our project, and thank you.